In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion template with ChatGPT. If you want a template that actually feels useful in Notion, the first thing to do is get very clear on what the template is supposed to help people accomplish. Before you ask for any layout or content, decide the exact purpose. And for example, think in terms of outcomes like managing projects, tracking habits, planning content, or organizing clients. The more specific the goal, the easier it is to generate something practical instead of something vague. Once you know the purpose, ask ChatGPT to act as an expert Notion template designer. This helps set the right context and gives the response a more structured, system focused direction. After that, describe the sections and features you need in the template, clear about what should be included, such as dashboards, task areas, note sections, calendars, trackers, or progress indicators. This is where clarity really matters because better instructions usually lead to a better first draft. If you can, provide an example of your preferred structure. Even a simple outline helps guide the format and makes the result closer to what you want. You should also ask for the output in Notion-friendly Markdown, since that makes it much easier to copy and paste into a Notion page without losing structure. If the template is complex, don't try to generate everything in one single request. Break it into smaller sections and build it piece by piece. This makes it easier to control the quality and refine each part before moving on. After ChatGPT gives you the layout, review it carefully and ask for improvements wherever needed. You might want clearer headings, better organization, more useful properties, or a simpler flow. Once you're happy with the result, copy the completed markdown from ChatGPT and paste it into a blank Notion page. At this stage, you're bringing the structure into Notion, but the job is not fully done yet. Next, convert the appropriate parts into databases, tables, or checklists depending on how each section needs to function. This is where the template becomes interactive rather than just visual. Then add the properties, views, filters, and formulas you need. These details are what make a Notion template feel powerful and customized. For example, views can help separate priorities, and formulas can automate useful information. Finally, test the template and refine it before sharing it with anyone else. Click through it, add sample content, and make sure everything works smoothly. A quick test helps you catch anything confusing or unnecessary, so the final version feels polished, useful, and ready to use.